is Fort Boone. We'll be making a short stop there. It should be safe, but stay in your seats, folks. Our cowboys will check things out.
I said Fort Boone has been burned to the ground. We're too late.
That ain't Fort Boone, you nincompoop. That's the North Pole. Fort Boone is over there on that side of the tracks. What's wrong with you? If he asked for a pony, would he bring you one? He might. Yes, sir?
Where are you and Sundance at?
We're over here.
We're at the North Pole. I'm going to get a pony.
Yeah, well, all right, how about you just stay up there, all right? I'll see you survivors, let me know.
All right, listen. Hey, look, it's Santa.
That's not Santa.
Santa. That's Santa. That's one of Santa's elves.
You're real. You're real. I got cookies and milk for you.
Cut that out. Hush. Now listen here. What's wrong with you? What's going on out here?
I want presents.
You want presents?
Yeah.
I'll give you presents.
Presents.
Presents?
Yeah.
It ain't Christmas yet, you goober.
But he's got red on.
Does he look anything like Santa Claus to you?
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Now listen here. What's going on other than you wanting presents?
Oh, nothing much. Just Indians out here killing people. Not a big deal. Nothing to worry about. Yeah.
All right, sounds good. Hey, Sheriff.
What is it?
We found a crazy person over here.
All right, all right.
Don't you say that about Santa.
You look more like Santa. Get your hind end over there.
Ha! Tell Santa I also want a Care Bear.
I'm going to give you a knuckle sandwich here in a minute. That's what you're going to get for Christmas. That's some coal. Now listen here. Not the eyeliner. Now listen here. I'm going to go up there.
Santa's here. Santa's here.
You stand over there and you go
out of here, though, before it's too late.
Yeah, it's too late.
I mean, too late.
Rusty!
Yes, sir.
I got the gold! I'm gonna go buy a pony. I'm gonna buy a pony.
I can't believe it. We actually got...
I think some rocks fell out of that bag. Gold there. You better not shout. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Okay, everybody, please turn to your seats. How about a hand for the Cowboys, Tweetsie Tribe, and Trippy Boggs? All right, okay, so let's get these folks on back to the North Pole, please.
Hey, don't play you, big girl.